Welcome, dear friends, as we gather in this shared space of learning and growth. Today, I invite you to journey with me through an exploration of the ancient, yet ever-relevant, concept of yin and yang energies. As we explore this profound wisdom, we're not merely discussing abstract ideas. Instead, we're seeking to unlock a transformative technique that has the potential to reshape our lives in the most harmonious of ways. The philosophy of yin and yang originates from ancient Chinese cosmology and philosophy, which eloquently expresses the dual nature of existence. Yin is often characterized as the feminine, passive, receptive, and nurturing force. Yang, on the other hand, represents the masculine, active, dynamic, and creative energy. Yet, these definitions are not to confine or limit, but to describe the complementary nature of all things. In the dance of life, these energies are not static. They are in a constant state of flux, influencing each other and the world around us. The first lesson in our exploration of yin and yang is the understanding of balance. You may have noticed moments in your life where things seem to be in perfect harmony, and other times when chaos appeared to reign. This can often be attributed to the dynamic interplay between yin and yang energies within us. When we experience stress, burnout, or restlessness, it's often a sign that our internal energies are out of sync. Conversely, when we feel at peace, vibrant, and full of life, it is a clear indication that these energies are in a state of equilibrium. So how do we begin to balance these energies within us? The first step is awareness. We must become keen observers of our own lives, noticing when we feel out of balance. Do we feel exhausted even after rest? Do we find ourselves unable to sit still, our minds racing with incessant thoughts? These are signs calling for our attention, signaling that it is time to realign our energies. To bring balance to yin and yang, we must start with the foundation of our lives, our breath. Breath is the bridge between the mind and the body, the seen and the unseen, the yin and yang. A simple yet powerful technique for balancing these energies is to practice mindful breathing. By focusing on the breath, we bring ourselves into the present moment, allowing the mind to settle and the body to relax. This practice doesn't require any special equipment or environment. It simply asks for your intention and attention. But how do we breathe mindfully? It's quite simple. Find a quiet space. Sit comfortably and close your eyes. Begin to notice your natural breathing pattern without trying to change it. Feel the air as it enters through your nostrils, fills your lungs, and gently leaves your body. With each breath, imagine that you're drawing in balance, allowing yin and yang to ebb and flow within you harmoniously. As you exhale, envision releasing any imbalances, letting go of excess tension, worries, and stress. Click subscribe to this channel to get more profound spiritual lessons. This practice can be done daily for just a few minutes at a time, and the effects can be profoundly transformative. Over time, you may notice a greater sense of calm, an increase in energy, and a deeper understanding of the needs of your body and mind. Beyond breathwork, we can also balance yin and yang through our daily activities. Engaging in physical exercise, for example, can enhance our yang energy, fueling our vitality and strength. Conversely, practices such as meditation, reading, or taking a leisurely walk can nourish our yin energy, allowing us to recharge and rejuvenate. It is essential to recognize that neither yin nor yang is superior to the other. They are interdependent. One cannot exist without the other, just as shadows cannot exist without light. It is this recognition that leads us to embrace both aspects within ourselves and in our approach to life. As we conclude this first part of our journey together, I leave you with a question to reflect upon. In which areas of your life do you feel an imbalance between yin and yang energies, and what small step could you take today to begin addressing it? Embracing the flow. Navigating life's rhythms. In the continuation of our exploration, let us delve deeper into the practical applications of yin and yang energies and how they can guide us in navigating the ever-changing rhythms of life. Our existence is a symphony of cycles and seasons. Nature itself teaches us that there is a time for growth and a time for rest, a time for action and a time for reflection. Just as the world experiences the cycles of day and night, the seasons of the year, we too are part of this grand cosmic dance. Our energy levels, moods, and productivity are not constant. They ebb and flow, wax and wane, in alignment with the greater patterns of life. To live in harmony with these natural cycles, we must attune ourselves to our inner rhythms. This requires us to be present and responsive to our ever-changing needs. By honoring these rhythms, we align more closely with the dynamic balance of yin and yang within us. Consider your daily routine. Are you allowing time for both activity and rest? Are you honoring the yang energy with movement and productivity while also respecting the yin energy by finding moments of stillness and introspection? The key to maintaining balance is not in rigidly structuring our days, but in being flexible and responsive to our internal cues. In our modern world, the bias is often towards yang, towards constant activity and striving. Yet, it is in the quiet, receptive moments of yin that we often find our greatest insights and regenerate our energies. Therefore, it is crucial to consciously create space for both these aspects in our lives. One way to achieve this is by establishing daily rituals that honor both yin and yang. In the morning, you might energize your yang energy by engaging in vigorous exercise or setting intentions for the day. As the day winds down, you could embrace yin energy by practicing gentle yoga, journaling, or listening to soothing music. Another essential aspect of embracing life's rhythms is learning to listen to our bodies. Our bodies are wise messengers, constantly communicating with us. When we feel fatigue, it is a signal to slow down and nourish our yin energy. When we feel restless, it is a call to action, to channel our yang energy into creative or physical pursuits. Let's now talk about the food we eat, which also plays a significant role in balancing yin and yang. Foods have their own energies that can either harmonize with or disrupt our internal balance. For instance, raw foods, fruits, and vegetables are considered to contain more yin energy, while meats and spicy foods are rich in yang energy. By being mindful of our diet, we can support the equilibrium of these forces within us. Sleep, too, is a powerful ally in nurturing yin energy. It's during restful slumber that our bodies repair, our minds process the day's events, and our spirits rejuvenate. Ensuring we get enough quality sleep is a cornerstone of maintaining balance. As we adapt to life's rhythms, we must also recognize that balance is not a static state. There will be times when we must lean more into yin or yang due to life's demands. During a project at work, we may need to harness more yang energy. While recovering from an illness, we may need to surrender to the restorative power of yin. It's important to remember that balance is not about keeping yin and yang at equal levels at all times, but about finding the right proportion that serves us in each moment. This fluid approach allows us to remain resilient and adaptable, no matter what life presents to us. And now I invite you to reflect on the rhythms of your own life. How do you honor these rhythms? Are you giving yourself permission to rest as passionately as you pursue your activities? How can you better align your daily practices with the natural cycles within and around you? The harmony of opposites, unveiling inner unity. As we dive deeper into the wisdom of yin and yang, we come to understand that these energies are not merely forces to be balanced. They are expressions of a profound and fundamental unity. The interplay of yin and yang is a dance of harmony, a reminder that duality is but an illusion, and that all opposites are interconnected parts of a greater whole. Within each of us lies a microcosm of the universe. We contain multitudes, the quiet and the loud, the gentle and the forceful, the receptive and the active. To embrace these seeming contradictions is to touch the essence of our being. It is in the acceptance of our complexities that we find true peace. Consider the symbol of yin and yang, the Tai Jitu, a circle divided by an S-shaped line into two swirling sections, one black, one white, with a dot of the opposite color within each half. This symbol illustrates that within yin, there is always yang, and within yang, there is always yin. Each contains the seed of the other, suggesting that at the heart of all extremes lies the potential for its opposite. This is the principle of unity in duality. It is easy to become attached to certain aspects of ourselves, identifying with either yin or yang. We may see ourselves as passive or assertive, logical or emotional, strong or gentle. Yet, such labels limit our true nature. We are ever-changing beings, capable of extraordinary flexibility and adaptation. By embracing both our yin and yang qualities, we free ourselves from the boxes of identity that confine us. The unity of yin and yang also teaches us about the transformative power of acceptance. When we face challenges or difficult emotions, our instinct may be to fight or suppress them, engaging our yang energy. However, sometimes what is needed is to sit with these experiences, to allow them space within us, engaging our yin energy. Through acceptance, we can transform our struggles into sources of strength. In practical terms, this means cultivating a non-judgmental awareness of our experiences. When we encounter pain or discomfort, instead of immediately seeking to change it, we might first acknowledge its presence and explore its message. This approach does not mean we passively resign ourselves to suffering. Rather, it means we engage with our experiences with compassion and openness, creating the possibility for healing and growth. Let us also consider how this unity applies to our relationships with others. Each person we meet is a complex interweaving of yin and yang energies. In recognizing this, we can move beyond surface-level judgments and appreciate the depth of their humanity. We can learn to communicate and connect from a place of wholeness, recognizing the shared unity that underlies our individual expressions. The wisdom of yin and yang extends to our interactions with the world at large. When we approach life with an understanding of the harmony of opposites, we become more adaptable, more creative, and more resilient. We see opportunities where others see obstacles, harmony where others see conflict. As we cultivate this inner unity, we may find that our external circumstances begin to reflect this harmony. Our relationships become more balanced, our work more fulfilling, and our sense of well-being more profound. This is not a mere coincidence. It is the natural outcome of aligning with the deeper order of the universe. Now, I invite you to consider your own life. Where might you be holding rigidly to one side of a duality? How might acknowledging and integrating its opposite bring greater wholeness and harmony to your experience? The alchemy of equilibrium, mastering the dance of existence. In the final chapter of our exploration, We stand at the threshold of mastery over the subtle and profound dance between yin and yang. This mastery is not a destination but a continuous journey of growth, an alchemical process through which we transmute the raw materials of our daily experiences into the gold of wisdom. The mastery of yin and yang is akin to the art of sailing. A skilled sailor does not control the sea. Instead, they harness the wind, adjust their sails, and use the currents to navigate their course. Similarly, we do not seek to control the forces of yin and yang, but to work with them, to find our flow within their rhythm, and to steer our lives with intention and grace. As we refine our understanding of these energies, we become attuned to their subtleties within ourselves and the world around us. We recognize when to push forward with Yang's assertive force and when to yield and follow with Yin's quiet strength. This discernment allows us to act with effectiveness and rest with a deep sense of purpose. The alchemy of equilibrium is a dynamic process. It calls for us to be fully present and responsive to the ever-shifting landscape of our lives. It requires a heightened awareness and a willingness to adapt. Just as day turns to night and winter gives way to spring, our own lives are marked by cycles of change. By embracing this change, we embody the fluidity that is the hallmark of true equilibrium. To master this dance, we must cultivate certain qualities within ourselves. Awareness. Develop a keen sense of self-awareness. Observe your thoughts, emotions, and reactions. Notice the interplay of yin and yang in your behaviors and choices. Adaptability. Embrace change as an inherent part of life. Be willing to modify your approach, beliefs, and actions as circumstances evolve. Balance. Seek harmony in your daily life. Balance work with play, social activity with solitude, and seriousness with laughter. Compassion. Extend understanding and kindness to yourself and others. Recognize that everyone is engaged in this same dance, each with their unique rhythm. Integration. Unite the diverse aspects of your being. Embrace your strengths and vulnerabilities, your action and rest, your logic and intuition. Intentionality. Live with purpose. Make conscious choices that align with your values and contribute to your growth and well-being. Resilience. Cultivate the strength to recover from setbacks. Trust in your ability to navigate through life's storms and emerge wiser. The path to equilibrium is not without challenges. There will be times when we falter, when the forces of yin and yang seem to pull us in opposing directions. Yet it is through these very challenges that we grow. Each misstep is an opportunity to learn, each struggle a lesson in disguise. As we conclude our journey, remember that the mastery of yin and yang is not an end but a continuous unfolding. It is a path that we walk every day, with each breath, each decision, each moment of stillness, and each burst of activity. Embrace this dance with an open heart and a curious mind. Let your life be a testament to the beauty of balance, the strength of flexibility, and the power of harmony. And now, as we part ways on this written voyage, carry forth the insights you've gathered. Let them illuminate your path and guide you in the artful dance of existence. May the alchemy of equilibrium bless you with peace, vitality, and boundless joy. Are you prepared to take these lessons into the world and dance with the rhythm of life?